Enhance the fun of Thanksgiving with this cute Thanksgiving craft idea for kids and adults. Let's learn how to make this project step by step together. Subscribe for weekly inspirational videos. The Artistro rock painting kit has everything you need to fulfill your rock painting ideas. Check the link in the description. We will also use new Artistro paint pens for detailed work. 15 amazing colors. Check them out. The link is in the description. Let's start! Use a black paint pen to paint the eyes and a yellow paint pen to paint a beak. Paint the fallen leaves with different colors. These colors are so opaque. These paint pens are perfect for both kids and adults. Choose any pattern you like. Let your creativity flow like ink and Artistro paint pens. The fallen leaves will turn into turkeys' tails. The colors are so bright, don't you agree? Don't forget to let them dry completely. Use a double-sided tape to glue the cork to the rock and a turkey's tail to the cork. Take a piece of wire, make the eye pin with the help of an Artistro paint pen. Push the eye pin into the center of the cork top. Cut out the notes. Write names or phrases on these small pieces of cardstock. Thanksgiving is the perfect time to craft, and this turkey table decor is perfect to get the entire family involved. If you don't have any leaves to decorate, make your own out of paper. Happy Thanksgiving from Artistro. Stay tuned for more fun tutorials.